Have you ever wondered how cats see in the dark? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? The dark world that leaves us humans bumping into furniture is a playground for our feline friends. They operate with a level of skill and grace that is nothing short of remarkable. The enigma of feline vision has intrigued scientists and cat lovers alike for ages. What gives cats this incredible ability to navigate the night? The answer lies in a unique blend of biological adaptations that have evolved over millennia. But this isn't just about biology, it's about understanding our feline companions on a deeper level. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the way your cat experiences the world. So, are you ready to explore the captivating world of feline night vision? An intriguing journey into the world of the nocturnal hunter awaits you. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of feline night vision. To understand how cats see in the dark, we first need to understand the difference between feline and human eyes. Cats and humans, while both mammals, have eyes that are structurally quite different. One major difference is the size of the pupil. Cats have elliptical pupils that expand and contract based on the amount of light available. In low light, a cat's pupils can expand to nearly the full size of their eye, allowing maximum light intake. On the contrary, human pupils are circular and much smaller, limiting their ability to let in light, especially in darker environments. Another difference lies in the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. Cats have a higher proportion of rod cells, which are more sensitive to light and motion than the cone cells found in greater numbers in human eyes. This rod-dominant retina allows cats to detect movement in the dark much better than humans, who rely more on cone cells for color perception and detailed sight in well-lit conditions. Now let's talk about the tapetum lucidum. This is a layer of tissue in the eye that humans lack. The tapetum lucidum acts like a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina and giving it a second chance to hit the rod cells. This reflection is why cat eyes seem to glow in the dark. It's not just for show. It actually enhances their night vision. Lastly, cats have a wider field of view than humans. While humans have a field of view of around 180 degrees, cats enjoy a field of view of about 200 degrees. This wider perspective, coupled with their superior night vision, makes cats excellent hunters even in low light. So what does all this mean? Well, these structural differences in the eyes of cats and humans are not just random quirks of evolution. They are adaptations that equip cats with exceptional night vision, enabling them to navigate the dark with ease. These structural differences are what give cats their night vision superpowers. Ever noticed a cat's eyes glowing in the dark? That's the work of the tapetum lucidum. What's this mysterious thing called tapetum lucidum? Well, it's a layer of tissue situated right behind a cat's retina. This tissue is jam-packed with cells that act like microscopic mirrors. And here's where the magic happens. When light enters a cat's eye and hits the retina, not all of it is absorbed. Some of it goes through and reaches the tapetum lucidum. This layer then reflects the light back onto the retina, giving the retina a second chance to absorb the light and convert it into an image. In other words, the tapetum lucidum is like a super-efficient recycling system, making sure no light goes to waste. This double absorption of light gives cats a distinct advantage when it comes to seeing in the dark. But how does this explain the eerie glow we see in a cat's eyes at night? When the tapetum lucidum reflects light, some of it gets directed back out of the eye through the pupil. This reflected light is what we see as the glow. It's a phenomenon called eyeshine. Interestingly, the color of a cat's eyeshine can vary, ranging from green to yellow or even blue. This color depends on various factors like the age of the cat, the breed, and even the individual cat's health. So the next time you see your feline friend's eyes glowing ominously in the dark, don't be alarmed. There's no supernatural power at work here, just the incredible natural phenomenon of the tapetum lucidum. It's this ingenious biological feature that enables cats to hunt and navigate in low-light conditions, making them the exceptional nighttime predators they are. From the smallest house cat to the largest lion, the tapetum lucidum is a shared feature among felines, enhancing their vision and making them masters of the night. The tapetum lucidum, a cat's secret weapon for night vision. Apart from the tapetum lucidum, Another major player in a cat's night vision is the rod cells in their eyes. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are rod cells? Well, they're a type of photoreceptor in the retina that's incredibly sensitive to light. They're the little heroes that allow us to see in low light conditions, even when it's almost pitch black. Now onto the fun part. How do they actually work? Imagine you're in a dark room. Your rod cells are like tiny light detectors, picking up even the faintest glimmer of light. They convert that light into electrical signals which are sent to your brain, and voila, you can see in the dark. It's a bit like having your own built-in night vision goggles. But here's where cats have the upper hand. They have far more rod cells than we do, almost 6 times as many in fact. This means they can pick up even more light, making their night vision far superior to ours. If you've ever watched a cat navigate a room in near darkness with ease, you've seen this superpower in action. They can detect motion in almost total darkness, a skill honed by their nocturnal hunting ancestors. But there's a trade-off. Having more rod cells means cats have fewer cone cells, which are responsible for detecting color. So while they may be champions of the night, their daytime vision isn't as vivid or as colorful as ours. But let's not forget, it's their night vision that often leaves us humans in awe. From the faintest moonlight to the dim glow of a distant street lamp, our feline friends can make out the world around them with incredible clarity. It's a remarkable adaptation that serves them well, whether they're prowling the back alleys or simply navigating their way to the food bowl in the middle of the night. The abundance of rod cells contributes significantly to a cat's night vision capabilities. The size of a cat's pupil also plays a crucial role in its night vision. You see, a cat's eyes have a unique feature, a wide aperture that allows a greater amount of light to enter. This is a remarkable advantage, especially in low-light situations where every photon counts. Imagine the pupil as the gateway to the eye. The wider it is, the more light it can let in. Now, this isn't to say that larger pupils are always better. There's a delicate balance at play. Too much light can be just as blinding as too little. But cats, being the sophisticated creatures they are, have found a way to navigate this balance with finesse. Their pupils can expand to nearly cover the entire iris, allowing a maximum influx of light when it's needed most. But when the light gets too intense, their pupils can also constrict to a tiny slit, protecting their delicate retinas from damage. This flexibility in controlling light intake is a testament to their adaptability and a key component of their nocturnal prowess. But why is this feature so beneficial for our feline friends? Well, consider the lifestyle of a cat. Many cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. These are times when light levels are low and visibility can be challenging. The ability to take in as much light as possible during these periods is vital for survival. Moreover, cats are natural predators. In the wild, their prey often comes out under the cover of night. The ability to see clearly in the dimmest of lights gives them a significant edge. It allows them to successfully hunt and navigate their surroundings with precision and stealth, even when their prey might be virtually blind. So, the next time you see your cat's pupils dilate in low light, remember, it's not just a cool trick. It's a finely honed survival mechanism that's been perfected over millions of years of evolution. With their wide aperture, cats can see clearly even in the dimmest of lights. Despite their incredible night vision, cats do have some limitations. While they're often touted as nighttime ninjas, cats don't actually have a magical ability to see in complete darkness. Like us, they need some level of light to navigate their environment. Their eyes are designed to maximize the use of whatever light is available, but in absolute darkness, they're just as blind as we are. Another fascinating aspect of feline night vision has to do with color. Cats see a less vibrant world than we do, similar to our vision at twilight. They perceive blues and yellows fairly well, but reds and pinks may appear more like shades of blue or gray to them. This is because cats' eyes contain fewer cone cells, the photoreceptors responsible for detecting color, compared to humans. Despite their superior ability to gather light, the resolution of what cats see at night is lower than what we see during the day. This means that while they can make out shapes and movements, the details might be a bit fuzzy. Think of it as watching a low-resolution video versus a high-definition one. Cats are also believed to be nearsighted, meaning objects far away may appear blurry to them. This isn't a problem for the average domestic cat hunting small prey at close quarters, but it does limit their ability to spot things at a distance. And let's not forget that while cats' eyes are designed to quickly adjust to changes in light, sudden bright lights can be startling and uncomfortable for them. Ever noticed how your cat squints or looks away when you turn on a light in a dark room? That's their eyes protecting themselves from the sudden onslaught of brightness. But don't let these limitations diminish your awe for feline night vision. Even with these constraints, cats are extraordinary nocturnal navigators. They can function in lighting conditions that would have us stumbling around in the dark. Even with these limitations, cats' night vision is still far superior to ours. So we've learned quite a bit about the astonishing science behind how cats see in the dark. It's been a fascinating journey, hasn't it? Peering into the feline world, where the night is not a barrier, but a realm full of possibilities. Let's walk back through the shadowy corridors of this knowledge maze. First, we delved into the differences between feline and human eyes. We saw how nature has sculpted cat eyes for the twilight, giving them a unique edge in the dark. Then we ventured into the magical world of the tapetum lucidum. This layer at the back of a cat's eyes acts like a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina. It's what gives cats those glowing eyes in the dark and boosts their night vision. It's like having a built-in night vision goggles, right? We also unraveled the power of rod cells. These light-sensitive cells in a cat's retina outnumber those in our human eyes. They make cats super sensitive to movement, even in low light. It's almost like cats have their own radar system. Remember the part about cats' wide aperture? Their large pupils can open wider than ours, letting in more light. It's like having a bigger window to the world. This, combined with the tapetum lucidum and rod cells, gives cats their extraordinary night vision. But it's not all superpowers and glowing eyes. We also talked about the limitations of feline night vision. Cats can't see in total darkness, and their color vision is less vibrant than ours. But hey, every superhero has their kryptonite, right? So, next time you see your cat prowling around at night, remember the science that's at play. It's not just about fur and whiskers, it's about evolution, adaptation, and survival. It's about a finely tuned system that turns the night into day and makes the invisible visible. With this newfound knowledge, you'll now have a greater appreciation for your feline friend's extraordinary abilities.